We've reached this point where the technology we need to fundamentally transform how we're living and working in space is about to fundamentally change. So when we think about 2050 from a lunar exploration and Mars exploration standpoint, we'll have changes in how we interact with the environment, how we're Earth independent from a propellant perspective, harvesting the resources off of the moon and applying what is just on the edge of mechanical engineering and nuclear engineering today, which is space nuclear power and propulsion. That is going to enable us to really explore out into the solar system like we never have before, while at the same time transforming our interactions with our own planet. You know, everything that we do in deep space directly helps us back here on Earth, whether it's life support, clean energy, nuclear power and propulsion, resilient energy and resilient communications. We need those at the moon, and we need those here on Earth as the climate changes and as we adapt to the world that we live in. At Lockheed Martin, when we think about the Earth-Moon trade routes and the trade routes that will exist by 2050, it's all based on what we call a water-based economy. You know, everywhere that humans go and everywhere that humans want to go, we're finding that there's water. And if you harvest that water using power systems like nuclear power, we can harvest that water to drink. We can crack that water into hydrogen and oxygen and use it for propellant. That hydrogen propellant we can use on nuclear engines, which surpass what we can do with chemical engines by a factor of 3 or 4 relative to the performance and efficiencies we have today. So what we envision are these nuclear powered systems that are plying the trade routes, the dark sunless seas between the Earth and the Moon and Mars and back again, bringing goods and services between all of these systems that will provide similar technologies and capabilities then that'll improve life back here on Earth. Everything that we do here on Earth requires some level of mobility. We're going to need exactly that to set up power plants or infrastructure or habitation. You need communications because we need to initially send robotic systems that'll help prepare the way for us. And then when the humans are there, everywhere humans go, the ones and zeros multiply. We have complex systems, we've got video we need to send back, we need to communicate like we do with Orion, with the Callisto on board Orion, with Alexa and WebEx from Cisco. Those types of interactions all require enormous amounts of communication and bandwidth. What excites me is the fact that what we do on the moon is exactly what this Earth needs today. And to be part of helping out both planetary bodies is pretty cool. 2 for 1.